The funniest mistake? Probably doing this video.
I was like, hey, this is Woody.
I don't get it.
I like working here at Viking because it's like working with family.
This is my first actual real job.
Who inspires me? I would have to say my family.
What kind of questions we talking about here?
I just don't know.
The worst job I have had was packing the little candle, like the wax burn, like you put in the wax burners.
Picking up chicken eggs. Most memorable moment. I would probably have to say the first one that comes to mind is my first sale.
Everybody's positive, everybody's encouraging, and everybody's helpful.
What inspired me to pursue this career? I actually saw the opportunity of becoming a salesman. I've talked to a lot of older people and they told me, you know, sales is really where the future's at.
My favorite coworker, Diego.
What motivates me? My family. My family and my friends.
Where do I see myself in 5 years? A really successful person.
I have no idea what I'm doing, so.
My face is red, isn't it?
Most funny moment I've had here at Viking would be whenever it was my manager's birthday. We actually slammed him into a cake.
I get to feel like I can give some sage advice because I've been there, done that.
The reason why I came to Viking was because Viking likes to set the bar high, and I like that they, you know, customers always come first.
And I mean, it's just the overall great feeling to work here with the team I do have and the management that's in place.